Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. We are in case 3, collecting of like terms. Collecting of like terms. So let's see. Now there are rules that guide us when collecting like terms. There are some principles we need to follow. Number one, the variables are taken to one side while the numbers are taken to the other side. This is what collecting like terms means. Now we talked about collecting like terms when we were dealing with algebraic expression. In algebraic expression, we said, okay, just gather the like terms together, gather them together. That was what we did when collecting like terms in algebraic expression. So we'll be doing that same thing, but there's a little change we are going to observe when collecting like terms in simple equation. So rule number one says the variables are taken to one side while the numbers are taken to the other side. The variables are taken to one side. Remember, an equation has two sides being separated by the equality sign. So the left hand side and the right hand side. So you decide, okay, so you can decide to carry all the variables to the left hand side and then carry all the numbers to the right hand side. Then number two, when a number or variable crosses the equality sign, its sign changes. Take note, when a number or variable crosses the equality sign, its sign changes. So when you are taking a variable to another side, that sign, that variable, if it was plus, when it crosses the equality sign, it should carry minus. And if a number crosses the equality sign, the sign of that number should change. So let's jump into the examples. Number one, find the value of the unknown in the following equation. So we take number one, y plus 17 equal to 76. Please carefully follow this. I think once you have a breakthrough in collecting like terms, in fact, this is the only case in simple equation that normally needs more attention. Once you can get a breakthrough in this, I think you are almost there in simple equation. So let's see, y plus 17 equals to 76. What do we have? Now look at this. This is the only variable we have here. And then we have number, and then this is number. So what do we do at this point? Now we need to pack the variables to one side. We need to pack, okay, variable is only one. We need to carry the numbers to one side. And what do? We keep the variable on this left hand side. This is our equality side. So this will bring down our equality sign. What do we have here? We only have y here because we want to keep the variable on the left hand side. So we'll take the numbers to the right hand side. And what would that give us? That will give us, now what you have to do first is to make sure if you are taking the numbers to the right hand side, this is the right hand side, the number that was there should start before the one that you are crossing over. Take note. So 76 was there. So you put down your 76. Now, what are we crossing? We are taking plus 17. Remember, the sign of a number is a sign that comes before that number. So we are taking plus 17. And what would that give us? When we cross plus 17 down to the right hand side, the plus sign will change to minus 17. Minus 17. So our y will be equal to 76 minus 17, and that will give us 59. That will give us 59. That's the solution for number one. Okay, we move to number two. Solution. Now we have 30 plus x equal to 10. 30 plus x is equal to 10. What are we have only one variable here, only one variable, which is our plus x. Which is plus x. So we put our equality. That means we have to take our numbers to the right hand side. Let's take numbers to the right hand side. Now, what do we have here? We have plus x. We only have plus x there. So the sign of x will not change. Take note. The sign of x will not change because it has not crossed the equality sign. The sign only changes if it crosses the equality sign. So we are still leaving x where it was. So we are not changing the sign. So plus x is equal to Now we are taking the numbers to the right hand side. Now the number that was there should start. So we have 10 was already there, and the sign of 10 is not changing because 10 has not crossed the equality sign. So this is the one that is crossing equality sign, 30. So 30 carries plus here. So as plus 30 will be crossing down to this side, that will give us minus 30. So plus x is the same thing as x equal to 10 minus 30. This is the directed numbers. That will give us minus 20. And that becomes our answer. Okay, sorry. Move to number 3, solution. What do we have? We have x minus 8 equal to minus 5. X minus 8 equals to minus 5. Bring down our equality sign. We have only one variable here, which is x, so we keep it there. The sign is plus, so it remains the way it is. X equal to what? Equal to, now we are taking the number to this side. We are bringing the number to the right hand side. So the number that was there should start. What number was there? Minus 5 was already there. So minus 5 should start. And the sign will not change because minus 5 has not crossed the equality sign. So minus 8, take note, minus 8 is what is to cross the equality sign. So minus 8 crossing down here, that will give us minus 5 plus 8. That will make it plus 8. And our x equal to, remember, different signs we add, we subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number. So that will give us plus 3. So our x equal to 3. Move to number 4, solution. Now, we have 17 minus x equal to minus 8. Equal to minus 8. Now, we can decide to take our variable to the right hand side, or we can decide to keep it here. So let's still keep it on the left hand side and see what will happen. So this will give us, now, if we are keeping it on this left-hand side, meaning that the sign will not change. Please take note. Don't ignore the sign of a number or variable. So this is minus x. The sign will not change. So we have minus x is equal to, the number is here already. Number that's here is minus 8. And then this is plus here. So plus 17 crossing down to this other side, that will give us minus 17. And what do we have? Minus x is equal to minus 8 minus 17. That's same sign. We add the numbers and keep the sign that they carry. So minus 25. Remember, we can't keep our answer as minus x. So what do? We divide both sides by the coefficient, which is minus 1, and then our x, this will cancel this. Our x will be equals to minus divide minus plus, so that will give us plus 25. Okay, we move to, oh, I think that's the last question. So we've come to the end of the first part. We'll be having two parts under collecting items. There's a second part we'll also look at, still going down with the same rule and the same principle. So carefully go through the activity questions. Please, this is simple equation. Like I said, this is a very fundamental topic. This is one topic that you need very well in mathematics as a whole. So thank you very much. Carefully pause the video, go through the questions one by one, and make sure you do it very well. Thank you. If you have any complaint, please do well to reach out in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to your needs. Thank you and see you in our next class.